This video will talk you through the process of finding dimensionality in your awareness, three-dimensionality, and finding the vertical of your body, the flow of gravity along that vertical, and the sense that the floor is supporting you. We'll do it standing, and then we'll go into walking. Take a moment to start to just notice anything about your body, anything you feel, any judgments you have about your body. Maybe you think something's right or wrong. Try to notice these things without changing them. Let them be. Let them be feelings or experiences. Accept your body for what it is right now. We don't have to be perfect. Notice where your attention is. Where are you looking? Notice the quality of your attention. Do you feel distracted? Are you noticing thoughts? Are you in a very focused state of attention? We're going to play some games now with attention, and I encourage you to simply allow your body to react to these games. And try, if you catch yourself trying to hold a position or resist a change, to think of letting that go. Start by noticing something in front of you. It could be a wall, or a piece of furniture, or a window, a plant. And notice the object. It has mass, it has form. And notice the space between you and the object. You also have mass and form, and you have a place, a relationship to that object. There's space between you and it. Pick another object or surface, and once again, notice the object and notice the space between you and the object. Close your eyes and remember that there are objects also behind you. A wall, or a door, or if you're outside, a tree. And think about the space between you and the objects behind you. Open your eyes again and remember there's objects behind you as you see the things in front of you. And think, there's something behind me, and then there's me, and then there's the objects in front of me. There's something behind me, and then there's me, and then there's the objects in front of me. So that you start to see yourself in the space with no preferred direction, not being pulled forward, not being pulled backwards, sensing space all around you, and there's one direction that is not pulled in any direction in the horizontal, and that's the vertical. So notice the vertical direction of your body, and notice the vertical direction of things around you, corners of the room, sides of the windows or tables, or furniture, trees if you're outside. Behind you, there are verticals. The wall is vertical, corners of the room behind you, and your body is one of these verticals. Your body is one of the verticals that you can experience in the room. So that you try to see yourself as just a part of this geometry. And indeed, you point up. How do we know where up is? We see it in the room. Gravity points straight down through us, parallel to the verticals that you see. Notice gravity flowing straight down through the body, through the feet, as you notice the verticals around you and the vertical direction of your body pointing up. Try to relax into these thoughts. Try not to hold the body. As you continue to notice its vertical direction, allow the body to respond to your quality of attention. The floor supports you, just like a table supports a cup or a vase. The floor supports you, just like a table supports a cup or a vase. We're going to take a walk now, and I'd like you to continue to think of these points of attention. When we start to walk, the weight will shift to the side, but there's still a vertical line through the supporting leg, pointing up in the space. And as you walk, you'll continue to notice the vertical direction, the sense of space all around you, in front of you, behind you. You're continuing to notice as you walk the space all around you, in front of you, behind you, and the vertical direction of your body, pointing up to the ceiling. Continue this as long as you can. You keep refreshing that thought, the vertical direction, pointing up. You can walk faster, you can walk slower. Try to keep your attention on gravity, on space, on mass, support. And when you're finished, just think back to where we started and what was the quality of your attention? What did you notice in your body? And what's changed with this exercise?